Hey, what's up everyone? I bought this 2005 Toyota Corolla LE. How I got this or why I got here, somebody hit me near almost head on. They left a center, totaled my 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Limited. It's been a mess, but anyway, when both parties have the same insurance, they total your car. Once your car's totaled, they give you 7 days. If you have rental insurance on your policy, they don't go after the other driver and make them pay your rental because, well, it's the same company. So I learned that the hard way. So I got a car ordered. It'll be 4 or 5 weeks. So here we go. This is cheaper than a rental. It's got good tires, good brakes. It's got some stuff where the fog lights are missing. I got a couple of those ordered. They're cheap. It's got a hubcap missing. You know, I think I got a set of hubcaps coming aftermarket. 40 bucks, so I can clean this car up. Got a little bit of cancer there. And of course the rocker panels are rusted. You can see there. Underneath it's got a few holes. And the AC is not working, but everything else works, runs good. One small oil leak. Camming, it's a tensioner on the cam for the timing chain. No big deal, I can change that. But anyway, these things here, the old ones, I decided to make a video before I threw them away. I watched a lot of videos, and so I'm going to give you some tips that might help you. So the old ones, you know, when you take them off, I just started here and here. You know, on the door, work my way forward. Here, work my way backward. And when you can see, let's see, the one that goes here, I got that zoomed in. Okay, so this one goes here. Well, what that does, you know, your rubber lays up against your glass. Okay, so it's going to go there, and you can see the indentation for the trim. And then your felt goes along the window. So the only thing you want to do is roll the windows down. You do not have to remove these interior door panels like some people show you. So save yourself some time. Just roll the windows down. And when you start peeling these back from the end, just kind of lift up. But the key to getting this thing out, if you flip this over, you can see, hang on, let me go over here in the light, where there's a little bit more light. Don't help me being blind either. Okay, you can, I'll get it eventually. You can see this little hook, how that's made. You see that right there? Okay, so that thing grabs on tight, and I was having a little bit of a time getting those out. So here's the trick. All right, so once you get the end popped up loose, you get to this part, you want to just grab that weather strip. If you're not going to reuse it, or even if you are, get your fingers down behind it. You want to roll it out. You know, I was trying to get up, out, and up. You got to roll it out towards the outside of the car further than you'd think. And once you do that, it pops up. Then you can just continue to work it down and work it out. So you do the same thing, right, for all four. And then I got these. I can leave a link to where I got them. I just got them on Amazon. These were cheap again. I think they were like between $30 and $40. But the old ones, the black was coming off, and then it had like bits of chrome underneath it. So speckled black chrome, black chrome, black chrome. It looked like hell, right? So when you go to put them back in, you kind of do the opposite. You know, I just like up here for certain. I'm not sure. It probably don't make any difference on this back one. But this one, when you go to put this in, I looked at it, I thought, man, this one's too long. It looked like it was about a ½ inch too long. It was not too long. You got to work it in here first. So you start up here in this mirror, you lay it flat, and you push it up under there, you know, 3/8 of an inch or so. And then what you want to do is lay this down, and you want to line it up to your edge here, and look at where this is going to go. And it'll change, so you want to push it down flat. See where it's going to land? You know, so you want that correct before you push it into place. Now pushing it in place, it's really pretty straightforward. You know, this you just push this channel down around the lip. So where that locking lip is, so there's your locking lip, but there's your groove all the way down through here. This groove is what goes on top of this. And just remember, your felt rides against your window, the rubber will go on the outside of the window. So just make sure you got it in position right. And like I said, you get your length right here. On this, all you got to do is once you got it on that groove, you just give it some compressions, right? Like CPR. Once you know it's level, you got to push it down kind of hard and push forward this time as you push down, because you're trying to get it to lock in there, okay? And it probably will take more like 2 hands. So I had to take this back out and realign it because I was too far. So see, it looks like it's already locked in there. I pulled up. If it's not locked, it'll lift up. There is no lock on this section. It just fits flat. All the groove and locking is on your main piece here, the thicker piece where the rubber seal is. There we go, that went down. Nice and tight. And just work it on down through there. And then you just repeat the steps for all 4. So once you do one, it's pretty easy. This was a good lesson learned. Like I said, make sure it's in there far away and get it lined up before you push it in, or you'll have to be careful and try to remove it. It's just easier to do it right the first time. One more thing here real quick. See how wide this is? You can tell on this piece that that's where that goes. It's got enough space for it. But you can see this little groove right here. So on your trim piece, if we look at it, you can see it's got that little snap lock mechanism in there. Right there. So you want those 2 to go down and snap down on this. And bam, there she be. Not perfect, but it looks a lot better. Way better. Just those little small details can make a world of difference on a car, and when you come time to resell, of course, it makes it a lot easier when you got it on the market to sell it. All right, guys, hope it helps with your Corolla. Take care till next time. Peace out.